Oh, you got it in your hand, don't you? Yeah, you got two now. Okay, I'll take them both. Now I'm gonna need another piece of track. And a block. Can you bring me a block too? Thank you.
Oh, you're doing a really good job helping Daddy.
Oh. Alright, okay, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, wait up. Wait for me to...
There's no more tracks?
Yeah, there you go. Can you bring me another screw?
Wow, that's a lot of tracks.
Okay. I need another block. I need some blocks.
Good helper, James.
Okay, now I need a couple more screws. 2 screws.
You're helping Daddy? Got some tracks and some screws. Uh-oh.
Thank you. I need another block. Oh, one more screw first. Thank you. Can I get another block? Thank you.
You're a good helper,
Hold on,
James.
Another piece of track. No, another piece of track.